Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best automatic litter box that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PETKIT PuraX Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. The PETKIT PuraX is remarkably similar to our best overall pick, the Litter Robot 4, using an internal cylinder to fully rotate the litter reservoir so that it passes through a filtration screen and removes clumps of cat waste. Just like the Litter Robot, it can be set to perform this operation manually, on a timer, or automatically after a cat is done using the device. In testing, the PuraX performed with similar excellence. The PuraX operates quietly, is easy to clean, and has an attractive design, which sometimes makes it look like your pooping cat is flying a tiny spaceship. The main downside our tester noted was the smaller entry hole, which was barely more than half the circumference of the wide opening on the Litter Robot 4. This may make the PuraX a less attractive option if you have especially large cats. While the PuraX is suitable for cats up to 18 pounds, one tester had trouble getting all 4 of their cats to consistently use it. It feels like it's aimed more towards small and medium cats, our tester said. But there were also a few areas where the PETKIT PuraX had an edge. One of our favorite minor design differences was the chute that allows you to load new litter from the top of the machine. Now you have to bend over even less to keep your litter box in good working order. The biggest area where the PuraX impressed us, even over our best overall pick, was in its odor-eating abilities. Similar to the Litter Robot, the PuraX dumps waste into a sealed tray on the bottom of the device. But rather than a carbon filter, the PETKIT litter box opts for an automated deodorant spray. The results are consistently impressive, with the PuraX containing bad smells better than any other litter box we tested. I kept this in my living room for testing and there was no odor from the box, which was amazing, our tester said. There are also several areas where the PuraX takes a different design approach than the Litter Robot 4, making selecting between them partially a matter of taste. This is most noticeable when it comes to the interface on the device itself. Whereas the Litter Robot 4 opts for big, bright indicators that allow you to access most features directly, the PuraX has a more minimalist interface, with only 2 buttons used to navigate a small OLED display embedded in the front of the litter box. Our tester found it usable, but a little too limiting. It would be nice if the menu icons showed text with the icons, our tester noted. It's a little hard to remember if not using them often or without the manual. Moving on at number 4, we have the PetZone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box. The PetZone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box senses when your cat has used the litter box, then cleans it 30 minutes later. It operates using a rake, which scrapes across the box, then scoops whatever clumps it catches into a reservoir. One tester summed it up, noting that the PetZone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box doesn't dazzle with bells and whistles, but absolutely does the trick. The PetZone is also surprisingly quiet, raking across the box in a slow cycle that does a good job of catching most waste. The machine comes with 6 plastic bags to get you started. It also includes a carbon zeolite filter, which fits into a bracket on the underside of the waste reservoir lid. While our at-home tester wasn't impressed with the overall build quality, noting its mediocre plastic construction, she was impressed with its overall performance. It doesn't have the fanciest design, but it's good for what it is and what you pay for. She also lamented the lack of a place to store extra bags and the included scoop. But those features included with the PetZone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box worked well, right down to the odor filter. Our tester didn't notice any smells throughout weeks of use. At number 3, we have the PetSafe ScoopFree Smart Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. We reviewed an older version of the PetSafe ScoopFree Self-Cleaning Litter Box in 2020, and much of what we had to say then still holds true. The main determination you'll need to make is whether or not your cats are ready for Crystal Kitty litter, which uses non-clumping silica beads that absorb liquids, rather than hardening. Crystal litter has several advantages, including strong odor-absorbing capabilities and a lack of dust or grit. However, not every cat likes crystal litter, so there may be an adjustment period. Plus, crystal litter tends to be more expensive. But if you know your cat is ready for crystal litter, then the PetSafe ScoopFree Smart Covered Self-Cleaning Litter Box is one of the best ways to take full advantage. The automated box rakes through the litter 20 minutes after your cat is done using it, moving solid waste to a separate compartment. Meanwhile, the silica crystals absorb urine and other smells. Once a month, for a single cat household, you simply slide out the entire tray, put a lid on it, and throw it away. The automatic cleaning is remarkably quiet and the comb slowly passes through the litter to weed out solid waste. You never have to touch, and you barely even have a chance to spot, the waste your cat leaves behind. Of course, this means buying a whole new tray of crystal litter every month, or even more often. So while the PetSafe ScoopFree is much more affordable than our best overall automatic litter box, the cost of using the same expensive litter each month will add up fast. While it's possible to dump out the waste reservoir without completely replacing the litter tray, our tester found this to be an unwieldy task, requiring lifting away the entire upper assembly of the device. In a home setting, we found the PetSafe ScoopFree to be effective at both self-cleaning and odor control. Plus, unlike the Litter Robot 4, the PetSafe won't take up a ton of space in your home, so it's a great option for apartment dwellers. At number 2, we have the Smarty Pear Leo's Loo 2 No Mess Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. The Smarty Pear Leo's Loo 2 is the most affordable of the premium, cylinder, design automatic litter boxes we recommend, but we found it to be nearly as impressive as the Litter Robot 4 and PuraX since it doesn't have the wide open entryway of the Litter Robot 4. The Leo's Loo 2 is more comparable to the PuraX in its operation and was comparably quiet when running a cleaning cycle. Otherwise, it follows the classic design of automatic litter boxes with a rotating barrel passing through a grate, leaving behind solid clumps, which are dumped into a lower reservoir. The app is less fun to use than the Slick Whisker app, but what makes the Smarty Pear automatic litter box stand out is its wide smart home compatibility. Capable of syncing with both Amazon Alexa and Google Home, the Leo's Loo 2 is the best option for anyone looking to activate their litter box using voice controls. It's also an excellent pick for anyone concerned about microbes, since the Smarty Pear utilizes UV sterilization, blasting its waste drawer with light rays that kill most bacteria and viruses. Frankly, this seems like overkill since waste is contained in plastic bags, but it's likely to be an appealing feature for some. Odor control was also excellent with the Smarty Pear, even with the large waste drawer, which enables you to go a week or more without emptying. With a single cat, our at-home tester only had to change the Smarty Pear reservoir bag once a month, though they did note this made for a cumbersome load. "I am very satisfied with this litter box," our tester said. "It is really thorough with its waste filtering, and it gives you the option to add an additional spin cycle to be sure to get all of the waste." The Smarty Pear Leo's Loo 2 is available in 4 colors: avocado green, baby blue, Leo gray, and pretty pink, and comes with a 90-day free trial. And finally at number 1, we have the CatGenie A.I Self-Cleaning. This might just be the self-cleaning litter box for any film buffs out there. If you've always admired Mr. Jinx, the cat from the Meet the Parents film, you might have wished your cat could use the toilet just like him. Thanks to the CatGenie, this is the closest you'll get, unless you actually train your cat to use your own bathroom. Unlike all the other automatic litter boxes on this list, the CatGenie prides itself in being the world's only self-flushing and self-washing cat box on the market. Each time your cat uses it, its waste is scooped before the box is washed, and hot air dries the automatic cat box. It's such an impressive bit of tech, it's caught the attention of magazines like Bustle, Cosmopolitan, and Good Housekeeping. While other tested automatic litter boxes use the litter, this one doesn't. Instead, it uses washable plastic litter granules. Liquids drain through the non-absorbing washable granules, while solid waste is scooped and liquefied all inside the odor-trapping hopper before being safely disposed of down the laundry drain or toilet. This means there are no bags you need to take out and empty, causing less smell since it's flushed away immediately. After this, the self-cleaning litter box uses water and the PetSafe Sana solution to wash and sanitize the litter area and washable granules. After this, it blows hot air to dry the granules, readying the automatic litter box for the cat's subsequent use. While the washable granules work well, you need to be aware that they slowly get washed away. However, they're biodegradable, so there's no risk of them clogging your drains. Still, you will have to continue buying more washable granules as they get used up. The recurring expenses make it quite costly to upkeep. As ingenious as the design is, since it's just like a toilet, it also means this self-cleaning litter box is more complex to set up than other models. You have to use the included T adapter to connect the box to either the cold water supply that drains into your toilet or a washer's cold water supply that drains into the laundry waste pipe. While this might sound complicated to some, it's still relatively straightforward but might be a bit fiddly. To make matters simple, you can manage everything via the app. With this, you can adjust any settings you want and check supply levels to see what's running out, all just from a glance at your phone. The app can even estimate when you'll need more Sana solution cartridges, making it easy to reorder so you don't run out. It also analyzes your cat's behavior to see if they're using the bathroom too often. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.